one of the easiest channels ababeda ho a obetimi de to kwan efi omemu akọ USA, Canada, and I say Mexico no. The FIFA World Cup 2026 volunteer program. Na ebeto ho emre kakra nie ba nkechire se wankasa so obetimi apply se we need ho obetimi apply na wa joining program no na betimi ama wakopie ewo Canada, USA, and I say Mexico. Na akwenya we open to all nationals. Open to all nationals. Amofa enkofo bebre. I mean, so when you're 18 years and above, wait me apply. And I think so in here qualification be nemo enema baku bi and it was a odiso. And I said kwine baku mienu na obefaso. I be kwako PSA bet me selected to be part of this program. Some of the roles are volunteers we ebe play no stadium operations, media and broadcasting support, language and fan services, transport and logistics, accreditation and security assistance, ceremonies and protocol. Yeah, which ain't bad anyway. But a volunteer, so it means no cash. But say you can go to nature say inti akwenya nana yeah. Ultimate joining program where some of the benefits are on sabit me and as ubenya the official volunteer uniform, if Adidas or shoes, backpack there, meals, any to say aduane, any local transport provided by shift near there, certificate of participation, so wako ye juma of FIFA da any idea. So recognition way any easy. So certificate no kwa ubenya krano, boa oniama baku mienu efa acquaintio. It is we need you. Don't waste no time and jump onto the platform right now before I over. Inti send you obey out the be apply no. Me know you be go through on the phone. Me share my screen no. Me share genuine link description nim na wa copy na waka paste wo one kasa browser nim na process na me follow no. Me know you follow ni create a FIFA account. You follow you create FIFA account na verify the FIFA account no. Na de did you online assessment ni ade no so na odi ahihye so. Some person mistakes be abem now per se amount so of course DK Traffication Consult is here to provide that support for you. But make link no genuine link no be share platform no so that bibi ayama obi as audience anya no kra wan kasa so to me follow up and check it out. Free registration is free. So you create the account and then ube follow the process no and then online assessment. This is where the issue is. Online assessment, your possible answers from questions say baby sao. And you will be a one kasa type untimi copy and paste. So any tips and information be here for responding to the online assessments questions no correctly no and as a better opportunity and our chances of getting this opportunity to travel out there no. You be provided all the assistance. Until contact ya BBA be sorted. That's what I basically mean. So yes, as I said, link no me January description box ni na wa copy. Name no o copy we na uye BBA. Me no nyina me share my screen no. No matter detail ebe call each part of the form to create the account and we are email out the just all the processes. So don't worry, stay tuned and let me share my screen with you right now. Don't forget to follow DK Traffication, share, subscribe so that everybody making such free videos every time. And until you copy link na ma share with my description box no now copy into your browser. This is the screen you will be opened up to, and I said this is the screen it be available to you. So you can see boldly written FIFA Volunteer, welcome to the FIFA Volunteer community, and then into Osha because we are new personal babe fill a form way your address is not recognized or email address is not recognized by the system. Create account that intino obeba asie hase obehwehwe for don't have an account, sign up here. So this is the option you go obi your mobile phone so sa nebeba. This is the interface that will show up. Sa interface rectangle way, portrait way, and it show up. Then you tap on don't have an account, sign up here. Then the page will load, and then ebema the form to fill to create an account. Ye will be a ha say the red asterisk be ha a mandatory field. That means any field, any form field be who be a the red a mark be another means a sese o fele ho and I say was so uchro bibi ewo ho. Aha. Inti hano email. And inti mebo mi email no ashe. Aha. Na mabo the same email no ewo aha. Let's say confirm email to be the same ashe the confirm email or side. Until be password a opese u use to be password a opese u use ewo ha. So your password preferred password a wo be kai other than password options na omde amount ewo ha no. What I say aha. Inti making sure say ube use one capital letter, any one alphabet, any number, and then one of the special signs, and I say special letters nibi. I'm talking about and asterisk, percentage, hash, at, any exclamation mark. All these ones are special letters, and so you also unya sa nema we bako ewo password na o create nim. Nti say password a o create Kofi and our person the password nti K no was a capital letter and then OFI, then maybe you know where you should letter 20, then a special letters in the back nti maybe letter need to be a percentage and I sign need to be a percentage and a dollar sign and I say asterisk and I say hash and now the account now my password no strong. Yeah. Now I bought no about first name. Now I bought first name t. My first name Kojo. Okay, let me put in a good name. And my preferred name into the same name, you know, Ebesheho. Because of time, let me just copy and paste. And then my last name. This is a fictional name, so you don't have to follow the same in August, and then in 1990, and then it's 1st August. You want 1st August. Yeah. Depending on the country you are filling the form from. In this case, we are filling it from Ghana. We'll put in Ghana, and then we select our country, Ghana. In selecting, tap here, ultimate bought jeans so times 5. Na waba. I say no. I will say put it in a legit number. So I will need a number to go through here. Let me see. And then how did you hear about us? Since Oteminka it was social media, you can put and then you come to the next one. Would you like to receive has any but you can tick all the boxes to get information, and then to get information on the event and whatever announcement, what the latest news and all that you can take, so that you don't miss anything. Then here will be terms and conditions. When you accept, then that means now we read you almost terms and conditions, and then you fully understand what you are getting yourself into with regards to the arrangement and all that. Then yes, you hereby agree with the terms. No, but you are not a robot. A lodi we are no create account. Into unya create account then it will give you this information. Continue to your dashboard. Meanwhile, a message has been sent to your email, so you have to go to your email to tap in the confirmation link or they send you email ni muno. Yes, inti enunye. I'm gonna say ensure your email address is correct. What I say? Say. Ensure your email address is correct. If you need to update it here and all that. So they have sent you an email to do the confirmation of your email. Inti me ba me email mo eno na aba wa hai. Me click so then I will bring me to this box, and then I will select, and as I tap it on verify email address. Then another page will open, and I say it will lead me to a different page, which the page is still the FIFA volunteer program page, telling me say my email has been verified, and then I'll click it back to dashboard. Then this is where your profile notifications there. This is where you get everything. And then there's an online assessment, and this is where it takes place. And so when you are ready, you need to have your passport and your passport in hand. And as I only your passport number, all the details in your passport are, then no problem. But then if you don't and you want to get accurate, in fact, I will recommend that ubenya passport by you, so that you are able to fill in the details correctly, because you don't want to get any information be wrongly spelled out and as a wrongly given and as a bibisa. So you click on apply now, and then it will take you to a portal, another page obey online assessment and all that. And then after that, our application has been set. So the material is so far creating your account. So the assessment, if you are not so sure of it, you contact us na in filling out these information. So set first, select host city, where so your Canada, your host country near your Canada, US and Mexico. Then you select here. Then you fill in the application form, which is number 2, and then see online assessment questions. So if you don't want to get it wrong, this is where a key, and if you have ena pass it through number 4. So for now the 1 2 3 until from number 3 now pass it through, then you get to hear from them from number 4, then you follow up na training in so you contact us, and then we take you through this process. You don't want to get anything wrong here. We profile no there, you can edit. Me click it profile. Any edit over here, and it will still reflect. But assessment in there, once it's gone, it's gone. The application form, once it's gone, it's gone. So feel free, go ahead. If you need assistance, you contact DK Travelcation Consult, and we are able to sort you out. I hope, sir, I was able to take you through the process successfully. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, follow us, like our videos, and then we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.